Years ago lived Sati and Shiva at Mount Kailash, in love with each other for ages, without luxury and worldly connections. Sati used to ask hundreds of questions from Shiva. Shiva answered sometimes and kept quiet more. He just smiled and walked away. He did love Sati a lot. Many questions of Sati went unanswered in words, many experienced in real. Sati once asked, "How did you know you were in love with me?" What is the meaning of life? Who are you? Everyone says you're the past, the present, and the future. What does it mean? What is your age? How old are you? Sati once discovered that her father is organizing a yagna ceremony. She went to Shiva to sought his permission to go there. Shiva told Sati that her father did not invite them because of the animosity towards him, and so he won't go. And he advised her also not to go.
Sati. Sati?
Who is this?
I am your inner voice, Sati. What are you thinking, Sati? When are we going to your father's house, Sati?
I am not going.
But why?
Don't you think Shiva will get upset as he advised me not to go?
Shiva will get upset? Why he will get upset?
But my father has not invited Shiva and me.
You don't need any invitation to go to your father's house, Sati. It's your house. You grew up there. It's your home. Shiva cannot say no to it.
Yes, I have not met my mother and father and even my sister since years. I should go. I should definitely go.
I'm so happy. Let's go and do the packing, Sati. Let's get ready.
Sati happily goes to her parents' house singing. She reaches the door and knocks.
কে কে এসছে এখানে? ওহ, তুমি তুমি এসছো এখানে? এখন কি চাও তুমি এখানে? এখন তুমি কিসের জন্য এসছো? এত শিব শিব করে আমায় কষ্ট দিয়ে চলে গেছিলে, এখন তুমি কিসের জন্য এসছো? যাও, চলে যাও, চলে যাও এখান থেকে। আর কোনোদিনও আমাকে তোমার মুখ দেখাবে না। যাও, go away from here and don't show your face to me anymore.
Disowned by her father Daksh and family, Sati trembles and weeps bitterly. Her agony is hard to witness. She feels terrible, moves backward and faints.
Sati. Sati.
Stop talking. Are you there?
Yes, I'm always there in you, Sati.
What should I do now?
Shall we go back to Kailash, Sati?
Kailash? Shiva? No. I can't. I won't now.
But why?
Shiva knew this would happen, but he did not accompany me. His ego is bigger than love for me. I wanted him to be here. Then I would have returned back to Kailash.
So shall we stay at your father's house, Sati?
No, I won't. I grew up here. And now, this humiliation, blame game, I can't take it. They disowned me as if I does not belong to them.
So what will you do now?
I will burn down the whole world and I will immolate myself too.
You will take revenge, Sati?
Revenge? I don't have anywhere to go now.
Sati, listen to me. Only the house of your father and husband is not the place to go. The whole world is there. We can have our own space there. We'll make our own world, Sati. Let us go out and find ourselves, Sati. Destroying ourselves is not the ultimate goal. Taking revenge won't help you, Sati. Let us go out and find ourselves. Let us go to Tiruvannamalai. The living Shiva, Arunachala Shiva. Let us go there, Sati, and find who we are, why we have taken birth. We have our own reasons to go out in the world, find ourselves. Come with me, Sati. Come with me.
Please take me.
We will take you there, Sati, and we will stay with you forever.
युगों युगों से एक पहेली है जो कभी नंगे पांव से आंगन में खेली है, जो कभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खनकती है कलाई में, वही शक्ति है नारी जो कविता कली कहानी बन जाती, जिसकी एक करवट वक्त को बदल जाती, जो प्यार से रुतबा दे शाहों से ऊंचा, जो जिद पे आ जाए तो समय को बदल देती, वही शक्ति है नारी।